I chose dental, just to be honest, mainly because I'm afraid of going to the dentist. And I feel like I could help patients be more comfortable relating to them because I have a fear of the dentist and they do as well. So I feel connected to them. I really love the hands-on experience that we do get here at Radiance Dental Assisting Academy, and it is on real patients. We have a Friends and Family Day where we bring friends and family in, and it really helps because the doctor does take time out of her time to assist on these patients for free, no charge to the patient. And she goes at a slow pace where we can really learn the steps and procedures and how to do it correctly. So Radiance Dental Assisting Academy helped me by getting a job by constantly updating their job board. And they also helped with building my resume to accommodate the dental assisting background. And I got a job offer by my 9th week of school. So I did get a job before I graduated, which is awesome. I would definitely recommend applying to Radiance Dental Assisting Academy. The teachers are awesome. Hands-on is what lifetime experience. You don't find that at any other dental assisting academy. I checked out 3 or 4 and they had no dedication to their students like Radiance Dental Academy does.